Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. And if you're wondering why I'm telling you guys good morning, it's because we're gonna be going to Cars and Coffee. Now, when I post this video, I can almost guarantee you that's gonna be nowhere near the morning time. It's probably gonna be late as hell in the evening. But we're going to Cars and Coffee with my buddy Jacob, that you guys have seen in the previous videos already, as well as my buddy Mikey, that you guys have not seen in the videos. And you guys are gonna see a lot more of him in the future videos. And the reason why is because he ended up getting his first car. And we're gonna be going into depth with that a little bit more here later in the video, as I'm excited to do because I haven't done this in a while. The reason why I just don't go out in the morning to these Cars and Coffees as much anymore is because, one, when you go to work at 7:30 every morning and you got to use your day off to get up at 7:30, it really isn't that fun. And two, none of my other friends want to get up this early as well. And a lot of you guys who probably are watching these videos like, bro, come on, 7:30, you kidding me? That's not really... This video is dedicated to you, baby. No, Jacob just told me he's taking a he ain't ready. Hey, you and I called this, bro. He's not gonna be ready. It's 7:25. No matter what time we tell him, he's gonna be probably 20 minutes. What an asshole, bro.
We're waiting on Mr. Princess over here.
Hey, man.
Hey, man.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Until you hung up on me.
I didn't even hang up on you.
Probably 20 minutes.
I texted you, I was like, your phone died again?
I phoned up. I know, I saw Joe and I'm like, he's probably just thinking, fuck you guys gotta go to Cars and Coffee and I gotta go to work. I was just talking mad shit about you, but...
I know both you guys were. I was sitting here getting ready, I'm like, I know they're talking shit right now.
Sorry,
you're gonna give
guys.
me and...
I know this part of the video is gonna be ruined, watching him talk, I know.
Me and Mikey. Mike, we're about to be vlogging, bro.
Welcome to the vlog, dog with a vlog.
Look how black the wheels are now.
You got a little bust on your tire, bro. It don't even look good.
So much time armor. Ew, what is that? Dude, you weren't kidding, I didn't notice, that's gross.
This is disgusting.
There we go, we recording now.
Should be the autofocus.
Turn around, bro. We got the 15s. What are these?
The babies.
Koenigs?
Yep, some Koenigs on some Hankooks.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I woke up at 7:16. Mike's like, I'll be here at 7:30.
You texted me at 7:17. What are you doing for that 1 minute, huh? Yeah, buddy! Yeah. We ain't know the fucking thing, buddy! Yeah!
I want to know about this badass car.
So my uncle gave me the car, which is actually a sick ass deal. Originally I was supposed to get a PT Cruiser.
Wait, were you really about to get a PT Cruiser?
No, yeah, I was gonna get a manual.
Bro, oh my god. We know the history behind a PT Cruiser, but oh
no,
my
yeah,
god.
I heard about Sean's fucking PT Cruisers and everything.
Very underrated car.
I was gonna get a 5-speed PT Cruiser too at that. But then...
Oh, I didn't even know they made 5-speed.
It was originally my uncle's, and my grandpa had the Focus, and then my grandpa wanted to trade with my uncle, and my uncle's like, I'm gonna give Mikey the PT. So he's like, well, just ask him if he wants the Focus. And I was like, yo, what the fuck? Focus? There's pizza on your Focus? Need it. So, luckily it came with these sick-ass SVT wheels, because low-key, without those, the cars are pretty basic.
And tell them what you're about to do. You're about to get rid of them.
We are about to get rid of them.
If anybody wants them for sale.
Actually, they're already in the video.
Are they really?
Cut to it.
Oh, you already
Koenigs?
Yep, some Koenigs on some Hankooks.
jumping right to it then.
Ford, from the Ford. Red spoiler, you know, extra horsepower.
When did you add this?
Extra downforce. No, this came with the car.
Dude, that can get you a whole 20 horsepower.
It came with dark ass tint.
You have something I don't have. Water.
Definitely new builds coming to the channel. Maybe even a
Two new builds, actually.
Maybe even a new channel.
There's gonna be a Whippo coming through. And we have money.
Are we? Are we? We've been hearing that for about a year now. I've seen this guy every once in a while too. I like what he has set up. I'm not a huge fan of convertibles. I've never been a fan of convertibles. But this one though, on the other hand, I love what he did with the headlights. Like, I don't know about them, but like, I know they're expensive. I think it was like maybe 200 bucks, 100, 200 bucks. But I like them with the blacked out inside. You know what I'm saying? I like the supercharger too. It's clean, very clean setup. No. From what I can remember, he has the same screen as me. Yup.
Look at that. You guys are like
yeah. He's like the big brother and I'm the little sister. That's the best way I can describe it. To be real with you, it's probably the only convertible I like. I haven't seen another convertible Mustang that I do like.
It looks, you know what I know? wanna know why it looks good?
Why does it look good?
Cause it's low as fuck.
This is a bigger Chevy aisle than it was at SEMA. Hot Wheels, beat that. I think I've talked to this dude before thinking about it. He has the wood bed. No, not even close. He does not have a wood bed. I'm a big fan of classic cars. If I was ever to get another car one day, I'd potentially want to get a classic.
What you need is a classic Chevy.
No, it literally would be like, I have nothing against Chevys or Fords, but like I personally like Chevys a lot.
I say instead of putting that down payment for that Supra that you want, yeah, I just exposed you. I say you get an old car for cheap and you put that, what, $30,000 for that Supra?
And you'd have extra money left over too.
Back to me, buddy. You get a cheap car, bro, and you put that $30,000 into it, you have a race car now. Oh, this thing's got a...
Yes, it has a motor. Oh, it's an LS. Dude, this interior is clean.
Wow. Ooh, the dad?
I know.
My dad loved this color too.
Just any square body truck just looks good. I don't think I've ever seen a square body truck that it looks horrible. I think that's an 05. Dude, it's crazy how the interior stays so similar to one another.
I'm gonna steal the spotlight.
Oh my
Fun
god.
fact. I was in Pomona, California for the SWAT meet like a month or two ago.
And I was gonna buy one of these.
For real, he wanted...
You're about to buy every car, and what are you with? What are you with now? Riding with Mikey.
He wanted $9,000 for it. It needed some work, bro, but $9,000. You know what year this is, right? This is the
66.
Like he's decently low.
I love these wheels on classic cars. Those style wheels just look amazing. I know they're so basic, but just they fit so well.
Wow, that's insanely crammed. What is
Damn, that paint's clean.
Why is that? No, I don't want those stairs.
This paint is clean. What paint is this? Like an emerald or something? Dude, look at the interior. Dude, please look at the interior. This thing is beautiful. Yeah. Whoa.
Big tire. Damn, Marianne. Look at this.
Keep flexing on you, Marianne. He has a dog.
Like that. That's even smaller. That's even smaller, man.
I can't read, I guess. Corvette. Schwinn in the back. Isn't it? Wow. That's a pea picker. Look behind you. I know. What is it?
And he got 3.
Roger Gengi.
I always love
Dude,
I always love how you have to put the key on the left side.
I never knew that.
Yeah.
You have to put the key on the left side?
Yeah, the first time I ever pulled in a Porsche at work, I was like, yo,
I'd be
what's
so
going on
confused.
right now?
I think, is there something I'm not seeing?
Damn, this thing's sick.
Dude, I would not get bored of
Look
this.
at the suede stone. And then the... Look at this fucking...
But hey, when are you gonna text that guy and drive this damn Porsche? Logan's mom's friend has a GT3, or this what, white?
GT3 RS.
This right here, though,
GT3 RS
is
one
just
of these.
equally as cool.
Yeah, bro, these things have like 756 horsepower, I think.
I gotta hit him up. I just haven't done it yet.
I built one of my favorite electric drift cars. I seen this last night.
You saw this car last night?
Yeah,
Where?
Getting donuts.
This is a clean one.
This gotta be. Logan, I'm gonna keep it real, bro.
Keep it a buck.
Literally, the guy right behind my backyard wall, he has a black one and a red one.
The wheel setup for these were pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. Like from factory, I believe these are factory wheels, right?
I have no clue.
Whatever they were, I seen them on a lot of these cars. They're nice. All right, guys, thank you guys also. What? I'm trying to end it.
You missed it.
You scared him off.
You missed it, bro. Just because your intro. You couldn't wait 2 seconds for your intro. All right, bye.